This is Tori Live. You go easy. Look at her handwork. That's amazing. See, that was double notes at the same time. That's amazing.
Oh, I messed up.
It's okay, it's okay. Shake it off. Head nod. That's famous. Here we go. It's your guitar.
Yeah, I'm never this bad.
You know what? I can't believe you won that championship. That was pretty amazing.
Yeah, that easy championship on easy. The easy championship on easy. It was easy.
You are the official.
Easy champion.
Yeah.
All things that are easy.
Yeah.
On the easy level of Guitar Hero.
Yes.
I hate this song.
Really? Why?
Because it's too slow.
Does it depress you? Sorry about that. I didn't mean to offend you. I thought you were supposed to be happy. Did you take those drugs lately? Oh, you gotta dance.
Ow. I'm so...
Let's not focus on the music and more on the master.
I made the people sad.
It's okay. There'll be another tournament.